Namaste and welcome on board Narrowboat Business. I've got a window of opportunity this morning to get up to Bosley. Nature calls. I need to empty the loo. I need to fill the tank with water. So it's about a mile away, just up the cut there. So I'm going to set off while it's nice and still at the moment and there's no rain, and hopefully get back before torrential rain arrives, which the forecast is, and it's a yellow warning, so there could be serious flooding in the region. So I'm going to set off now and come along with me, enjoy the journey. today it's been a bit quiet on the wildlife front. There's the geese, there's the ducks, there's the squirrels running up the trees, and there's a big dark cloud looming over the back of me, and it's supposed to be torrential rain any time, so I'm hoping I can get back up to my mooring ASAP. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you with some footage of all the wildlife that I've seen along the canals and just off the canals as well, in the nearby fields and parks. So far so good. Still dry. Even though all the trees are bare, strips of the leaves, they've still got life in them and colour. There's that lovely green moss on the tree trunks. The dying foliage turning a golden brown. Midwinter, but it's so beautiful. And of course the birds are still singing, the squirrels are still out, the ducks and the geese, and even me, I'm about. That's how you turn a boat round, a winding hole. Quite easy, really. It's similar to doing a 3-point turn in a car. Sometimes it takes you more than 3 times to get it turned round. We're about another 600 yards to go from the mooring and still no rain. So I'm really pleased I'm doing well today. Of course, there is some heavy rain due any time. It's not raining. Okay, the wind's blowing, the birds are singing, and I've had a beautiful cruise to go and get water and empty the loo. And what more could I ask for? A cup of tea. That's what I need, is a nice cup of tea. Thank you for joining me on my vlog. I've already got around 34, yes, this is number 34 vlog. There's over 30 vlogs on my channel. If you haven't seen any of them, do go and have a look. You can go right back to number 1, On Board the Isness, and you can even have a boat tour. And I've got kingfishers on there, I've got all sorts of, even a rescue of a heron. But I hope you've enjoyed the vlog. Please do come back. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button, okay? And also there's a bell, and that gives you notifications of when my next vlog is online, so you don't miss it. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you very soon back on board Narrowboat Isness.